everyone, welcome back to another day in the 100 days graphic design challenge. Okay, so today we are going to be designing a sweatshirt. We are going to be doing mock-up. So I'm just going to be using this one. As you can see, I've already downloaded a zip file. I've extracted it, that's why it's in this folder, and these are what it came with. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can go there and download and even explore more mockups. Okay, so I'll be using this one. I will just double click on this to open it up on my Photoshop. Okay, so now that it have loaded up, this is what we have. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll just head over to design. Okay, before that I'm just going to open this up so that you will see what this is made of. If you close the eyes, you can see the effect. If you open it, you can see the effect. Same thing for highlights. If you close it, you can see the effect. Okay, so I'm just going to bring in my design. I'll just double click on this to take me to a new file here. Then I'm just going to paste my design here. Now if you want to do your design, you can head over to image, canvas size, and you will see the size that was used for this mock-up, and that's the size you are going to use when you are creating your own design, so that it's not going to be different, so that the sizes are not going to be different. So I already have my design, I already made it, so I'll just head over to file and I'm just going to say place embedded. Okay, I'll just open this up. Now this is it. I'm just going to drop it. I'm just going to place it here. Okay, now you see that it just aligned with the size, is because that's just the size I used when I was designing it. Okay, so when I hit Ctrl S now, I've hit Ctrl S, I'm just going to go back here and you can see that this is what we have. Okay, so you can see that this is it, this is what we have. You can explore some other things. You can change the background color here. You can just customize it to whatever you want or however you want it to be. Okay, so that will be the end for today's design. I'm just going to see you in our next video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.